We are rocking and rolling here. Bells, shotgun. This hunt was just unbelievable. I cannot overstate how amazing of a hunt, and the animals we took down were great. But the beauty of flying through Texas and seeing this amazing scenery for an hour, just a cool perspective, different perspective. We took down some amazing animals. We're going to show you that here in a second, but just want to highlight just the beauty that is Texas and the beauty of just flying from above and seeing the same type of terrain that you've never seen from a new perspective. Picture essentially flying in a drone and seeing awesome footage, but you're up there in the elements. So let's talk about the elements. It was freaking freezing, 30 degrees, windy, but man, we had a blast. It did cause some challenges with loading the gun as fast as we could because you could barely feel your fingers, but let's jump into some shots of us taking down some pigs and some coyotes. Pausing the action real fast to explain the process. So essentially we fly these 6,000 acres that we were on. I believe the guide service we worked with here had access to 60,000 acres in the area. But you fly the ranch, you look for animals, coyotes, pigs mostly, any animal that is going to harm cattle or the terrain, the crops. So we end up seeing a ton of coyotes today, which is pretty abnormal. So a lot of what you're going to see here in a second is us taking down coyotes, but mix in some pig, and obviously we saw a ton of whitetail, probably thousands of whitetail. Obviously can't and don't want to shoot those from the helicopter, but amazing. Check it out. I have some just flight time on double speed for you to enjoy the flight before we get back into taking down some of these animals. we're battling this gun jam and with frozen fingers. I want to highlight a couple facts about hogs and coyotes in general. One, the population of both are out of control. There really is no known predator to them, so they just multiply. On the pig front, they carry tons of diseases, I think up to 19 different diseases. They cause billions, yes, billions with a B, dollars of destruction to crops, farms, etc. Coyotes have been known to take down calves, and they often do so, as well as chickens and other animals on these farms and ranches. So at the end of the day, just trying to do our part here to kind of limit some of those things that we just discussed. This is one of 21 on the day. An absolute blast. This was amazing. It really was. I'm holding the mic because I'm so zipped up with this cold and wind. It's hard to clip on my jacket. But man, we shot over 20, I think 21 total coyotes so far today. 40 hogs, porcupine, and we just flew half a day. So just awesome. If you get a chance to do something like this, jump on it. You will not regret it. We use shotguns shooting double-aught buck, and at times you couldn't load fast enough. So yeah, just if you're a hunter and you enjoy the outdoors, it is fantastic. He just landed that on the trailer like it was no big deal.